don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Welcome to Amavenzo TV. It's the CAF Champions League. Mamelodi Sundowns 2, MCLJ 0. I'm joined by the best analyst.
All Sibo Bafit, the best analyst. I am Kildana, well known as Ukoke Bafit. Thanks for the opportunity, Sibo.
Sure, man.
Today, Mr. games were very important for Mamelodi Sundowns. MCLJ versus Mamelodi Sundowns.
Yeah.
But for today game, it was a do-or-die for Mamelodi Sundowns.
Yeah.
It was one of those games.
Yeah.
There's something Sibo actually on a studio on our team. An owl.
Yeah.
An eagle.
Yeah.
Goes to the mountains.
Yeah.
Is peel off.
Yeah.
Ama wings wide.
Yeah.
It's a process.
Yeah.
Which was recover and go on in Piloya after 40 years so that it can live on for 70 years. That thing is Tibo. I'm trying to say, yes, Sundowns is won today, but the process has not stopped. The process of Mamelodi Sundowns being a great team is still continuing. There are signs, there are glimpses, there are glimmers. Such games are the games that are telling us we are in the right direction. It's not the whole process we are there.
Yeah.
No, we are in the right direction. Yeah. And there's something Tibo I've got ears, I listen.
Sure.
My ears are telling me a lot of people are complaining about Coach Cardoso.
Sure.
Which I understand, Sundowns, we've become used to the habit of leading Petway, about 20 by now, 10 points by now. Already we could know by now what Mamelodi Sundowns are the champions like South Africa.
Yeah.
But this time around things are different. Siboguna something Melesipeg. In the past 4 years, 4 or 5 years, Sundowns, the last time they won in Nedbank, MTN8 in the league, it was in the season 2021, 2022. That season was the season where Ufika Kona Umudiba, Ufika Kona Botebza, a lot of super sport players. That's the season about That's the season about winning a treble. And the time Babazo win a treble there, Aban coach, there were 3. Rulani, Umangoba, no compare, Since then, up till today, there is no cup about winning other than that cup earlier. The only cup about winning outside that is the African League. But that's the only cup in Namanja Sas with the Pinita in tournament.
Sure.
So I'm trying to show you, yes, inking a iko Namanja, Singavu so there's a problem. But the problem I couldn't call in Manjina. Oh, it's because Mislogos winner league ngama point aphezulu so Mesifa under carpet Messi jump mara Messi protect ngani ngokuthi win league ngama point amakhulu. I mean Sibo, count how many finals uMudiba akazidlalile, how many finals uWilliams akazidlalile ku Sundowns, how many cups kule past 4 or 5 years iSundowns ezidlalile, and how many abazwinile. They played a lot of cups, but they won only e-league out of all those cups. Last season alone, Sundowns idlale iBlack Label, yadlala iNedbank, yadlala MTN8, yadlala CAF Champions League, ba win in. So la manye ama season be ba win in. So yini different?
No different.
Oh, Cardoso different. No, but doesn't use into mele sisibheke.
Yeah, rengiva.
Mele sisibheke ezinye izinto. Inkule 4 years. iSundowns coach uKardoso, coach uManqoba, coach uRulani I1.
Yeah.
Lamanye ama coach ba wineni bona.
League pay.
uRulani uwine ileague nale cup le LFL. Iphenya kayiwinile. Omunye uzo argue na ama uRulani but uluze 1 game last season yakhe. uRulani na how many draws that season? Manje Sundowns na how many draws? Go and check ukuthi uRulani last season una 8 draws. Mazombiza ukuthi almost aba invisible. Sundowns izodliwa ngelast match izodliwa yiCape Town. Ama game ay8 uwadrawile. How many points did he drop? Same uKardoso last season. The same point uRulani ka ending ngazo invisible 72 points. The same point uKardoso ka ending ngazo last season 72 points. Someone must come and argue with me if you could better facts. You go and look at how many goals did they score this season ya Rulani. Go and check last season iSundowns scored how many goals under uKardoso.
Same.
We come back to uRulani. What has he achieved outside Mamelodi Sundowns?
No.
It was the first cup MC Alger achieved manje. Makafika MC Alger.
Oh, what one?
Uyangithola.
Yeah.
And the MC Alger last season was one of the teams that were contesting to win the CAF Champions League. MC Alger was knocked out by Orlando Pirates. They were good last 8. And you're telling me Rulani is better. MC Alger is not making it to the last 8 this season. Who's better than who? Rulani this season manje there's St. Limpopo. There's MC Alger. There's Mamelodi Sundowns.
Yeah.
There's what I'm missing, Al Hilal. Kula team la wonke. Go and check how many goals Rulani akazikorile egrouping yethu and check how many goals akazikhoncedile. I'm going to give you a clue.
Yeah.
Rulani, first goal yakhe, it was an own goal against MC Alger. That's the goal they scored. I think Bashai Al Hilal 2-0 or 2-1.
Yeah.
That's what mean that bana 3 goals.
Yeah.
Go and check other teams bana how many goals. The performance yakhe and tell me who's better than who.
And again, he scored in Limpopo.
The same and against Limpopo.
Hey.
Fine, that's 4 goals. How many goals does Sundowns have?
How many, yeah?
Sundowns shaya Limpopo shanga 3.
Shay.
Sundowns aqeda ukushaya Rulani manje 2.
Ishay.
Who's doing better than who? Are we buying faces? Are we buying faces? When Rulani lost against Limpopo,
Yeah.
when Rulani lost against Limpopo, who was talking about Rulani? Who was talking about Rulani? They were silent.
Yeah.
Even the South African media was silent.
Yeah.
Now because Rulani was going to play against Mamelodi Sundowns, everyone is loud. Mina ngizokutshela iVaras Thibo.
Yeah.
Labantu bacula lapha stadium.
Yeah.
They were not happy.
Panda.
They were not happy. Their wish was ukuthi Rulani win.
La.
Yeah, facts.
Our wish was not Rulani to win. Our wish was
That's a fact.
to beat Rulani.
Those are facts.
We wanted to beat
Yeah, I mean, I'm talking about majority.
Yeah.
I'm talking majority. I'm not talking about a single person. I'm talking about majority. Majority. They were about to sing. I want Rulani to win the game. We're gonna see chance. The Mamelodi Sundowns fans, but to the Rulani, we want Rulani back. We want Pizza back. Let's face facts. Let's not be two-faced. Just because we look at those now, we are two-faced and celebrate. Nothing to celebrate. Let's not be two-faced. Let's face facts. Young Chola. Let's face facts. We don't want to Rulani. Whoa, you're gonna get your chance, leadership. You're gonna get your chance. You're gonna get your chance, leadership. You're gonna get your chance, my leader. Relax, Kangani. Rulani. You're gonna get your chance, my leader.
Look at that, Pusha Kasata, Rulani hanging player. Uskan kila kasiyata
Sorry bafethu. Sorry about that one. Yes, I'm touching the nerves. I'm pinching the nerves. You know me na my nerves. I'm gonna pinch the nerves. Let me answer the argument. A leadership behind me, Uturulani agana material. We are talking about the MC Alger currently in Algeria. They are dominating the league. Urulani manje Algeria. He's unama points amaningi. Go and check ukuthi league we lead how many points. And tell me ukuthi agana material now. We are talking about Urulani that recently has won the domestic cup. Yeah, Algeria. So which material are I doing? I'm talking about the same MC Alger. That was in the last season. Yeah? The same MC Alger, ucoach Jose Rivero last season. Wafika wapaki pass. Makayodlala nayo Algeria. Wafika wakora unkotha. Wafika unkotha ezisapha wakora 1 goal. Wapaki pass. Which material are you talking about? Which material are you talking about? Urulani bathakana material esikhathi ashawo Cardoso Esperance bekanganayo material. No, my leader. So, okay, let's not argue. Uzwane chance yakhe. Hey, utlaba le chance yakhe. Relax, utlaba le chance yakhe. Hey, akitswali. Report the facts. You must talk facts. Utlaba le facts. We're not closing it. Rulani, how many games has Rulani played against Cardoso? How many games Rulani has played against Cardoso? Rulani played against Cardoso home and away, like South Africa. Against MC Alger, home and udlale MC Alger. Udlale Esperance, like South Africa, udlale Esperance away. Azange amshaye. Wabuya manje, wadlala ne-Sundowns nini. Manje against the Sundowns coach Cardoso. Uyangithola? Wadliwa away azange amshaye. Urulani out of 4 games akadlale no Cardoso akana win. Ngiyabonga.